Good afternoon, everyone. As you know, we are going with the spatial senses. In that, there is a one topic which is field of vision. So, what is field of vision? Today, we will talk about the field of vision. In this topic, we will include about the definition of the field of vision. मतलब what is field of vision? Second, what is binocular and monocular vision? Second, how many divisions of the visual field, and corresponding retinal points, which is diplopia. Then we will talk about the blind spot, then also visual field and retina, and the mapping of how we will mapping the visual field. So we will start with the definition. For that I will give you some basic knowledge about the field of vision. So field of vision, that means they already mentioned in first line of the definition, that is part of the external world seen by one eye. So eye is one of the most important structure, or you can say body part of you can say it is the most important part of our body. So in this we will talk about the one eye. So part of the external world means external world that has been seen by only one eye, from only seen by the one eye of the person. So when it is fixed in one direction, which is known as the field of vision or visual field of that eye, means this vision, the vision of the eye, which is fixed into the only one direction. So this particular vision, which is known as the field of vision or visual field of that particular eye. Next, according to Tricard, the visual field bed, which is described as the Iceland of the vision and surrounded by a sea of blindness. So this is about the definition. Next is binocular and monocular. So first is binocular means what? So binocular means binocular, which is the vision in which both the eyes are used together, so that a portion of external world is seen by the eyes together. Binocular means both eyes are used together, means we are seeing this particular okay. So binocular vision means in the simple meaning, binocular vision means the vision in which both the eyes are used. Okay, दोनों आइज़ को अगर हम लोग साथ में यूज़ करते हैं, which means it is known as the binocular vision. So that a portion of external world is seen by eyes together. In human and some animals, eyeballs are placed in front of the head. Okay, you can see in structure also, okay, our eyeballs which are placed into the front of the head. So the visual field of both the eyes are overlapped. Okay, why? Because the structure of our face or the structure of other animals' face, which are like that, means our eye which is situated in the center of our head. So because of that, from the lateral side or from the posterior side, it cannot harm that much. Okay, so the visual fields of the both eyes are overlapped. Because of this, a portion of the external world is seen by both the eyes. Why? So our eye structure is like that. So our eye structure is perfect, and because of this perfectness, the visual field, that whatever we are going to see, so whatever we are seeing, so this that picture or that particular okay. So if you are watching some picture, so that the overlap of the screen of that the overlapping of the screen, which is done by our both the eyes sorry. So this because of this overlap of that of both the eyes, and because of this visual field, we can see the proper picture and the proper vision from the both the eyes. Second is monocular vision. So as the name suggested, monocular means each eye is used separately. Okay, like dog, rabbit, horse, they will use their eyes separately. Like they will watch that particular they will watch. Okay, so they will watch particularly by one of the eye. So the eyeball are present at the side of the head. Okay, in binocular it is present into the center of the head, and in monocular vision it is present at the side of the head. So the visual field of both eyes overlap to a very small extent. Okay, second, because of this, different portion of the external world is seen by each eye. Okay, so what is the meaning of the monocular vision and what is the meaning of the binocular vision? And I hope you all are understanding that binocular means the eyeball which are situated in front of the center, in front of the head. So because of that, the overlapping of that visual field, which will make the both the eyes to watch that particular area or that particular picture. So both the eyes will use both the eyes will use together to check the into the binocular vision. And in monocular vision, as it is situated at the side of the head, so both the eyes will use separately, as well as the overlapping of the visual field, which will be very small extent. Okay, and because of that, the different portion of the world or different portion of that picture, it can be seen by each eye. Okay, next is division of the visual field. So what is that? Visual field of the human eye has an angle of 160 in horizontal meridian and 135 degree into the vertical meridian. So in human eye, the angle of the eye movement, which is 160 degree into the horizontal plane and 135 degree into the vertical side. So visual field, which is divided into the four part, and onto the temporal field, second is nasal field, third is upper, and fourth is lower field. Temporal, nasal, upper and lower. What is the temporal and nasal field? So visual field of each eye, which is divided into the two unequal part. First is namely outer or temporal part, and then next is inner or nasal part. Matlab temporal field which can also known by the outer field, and the inner, which is also known by the nasal field. So by a vertical line passing through the fixation point. The fixation point is the meeting point of the visual axis with the object. So here it is the division of the visual field. Okay, so you can easily understand about this. So this is the nasal field. Matlab these are two eyes. Okay, which is the left eye and this is the right eye. Okay, so first we will talk about the temporal and nasal field. So temporal field means, nasal field means where the two eyes will be seeing the same. So we will also talk about this. So temporal and nasal field. Okay, so temporal is also known as the outer, and inner nasal is also known as the inner. Okay, so when the fixation point is the meeting point of the visual axis with the object. So fixation point means this point. This is the fixation point. Okay, this one. This is the fixation point of the eye from that particular object or particular picture what we are going to see. So temporal part means temporal part of the visual field extend up to about 100 degree, but the nasal part extend only up to 60 degree because it is restricted by nose. ओके सो जो नेज़ल पार्ट है, मतलब जो नेज़ल फील्ड है, वो सिर्फ 60 डिग्री जितना मूव होती है, क्योंकि उसको जो नोज़ है हमारा वो रिस्ट्रिक्ट करता है, और वो उतना ही मतलब 60 डिग्री जितना ही टर्न आउट करके देख सकते हैं. उसके बाद जो नोज़ है इट विल बी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, और जो टेम्पोरल पार्ट है वो अबाउट 100 डिग्री जितना मूव होता है, और उसका जो विजुअल फील्ड है वो अबाउट 100 डिग्री जितना है. और उसकी वजह से क्या होगा कि हमारी आइज़ के जो आसपास जो 100 डिग्री जितना जो एरिया है विच इज़ सीन बाय द आई. सो जो सेकंड जो है अपर एंड द लोअर फील्ड. सो अपर एंड लोअर फील्ड मीन्स visual field of each eye is also divided into the upper field and lower field by a horizontal line passing through the fixation point. So इसमें vertical line जा रही है और इसमें horizontal line जा रही है. Okay, so extent of the upper field is about 60 degree as it is restricted by upper eyelid and orbital margin. Okay, सो जो एक्सटेंट मतलब जो अपर फील्ड है वो अबाउट 60 डिग्री जितना देख सकता है ऊपर मतलब जब हम लोग ऊपर देखते हैं तब. एंड जो लोअर है विच इज़ अबाउट 75, मतलब जब हम लोग नीचे देखते हैं विच इज़ अबाउट 75% जितना. और जो लोअर फील्ड जो है विच इज़ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड बाय द चिक. जब हम लोग नीचे देखते हैं तब हमारे चिक्स हम लोगों को ज़्यादा दिखाई देते हैं, तो ये जो चिक्स है विच विल बी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड द विजुअल फील्ड, लोअर विजुअल फील्ड. ओके, सो द विजुअल फील्ड इज़ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड इन ऑल द साइड्स एक्सेप्ट इनटू द टेम्पोरल पार्ट. ओके, so this is about the division of the visual field, and next is corresponding retinal points into the diplopia, blind spots, and what is that we will see into the next video. Thank you.